Hi guys, welcome to the Acrylic Asylum. This is Mike Ferris, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I transfer images onto my canvas that have a lot more detail than I would normally draw with chalk, such as like say cherries or like a vase or something more simple. So with this, I'm taking a picture that I've printed and I'm getting it lined up with my canvas, which is an 8x10 that I'm using here, and I'm using painter's tape, and I'm just going to go ahead and tape this onto my canvas so that the picture is exactly on the canvas as I'd like to see it. And then underneath, I'm going to be using this black wax paper. And now I have colors in gray, white, and black because it depends. Sometimes I'll do a painting on a canvas that's black, and of course this won't show up, so I'd use the white one. So with this white canvas, I'm putting down the black wax paper. So as you can see, one side was waxy shiny, the other place was more bare like this one. You want the wax side down. And then it just goes underneath the picture. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a stylus like this one right here, and it just has a little ballpoint tip on it. You can buy these at any art supply store or department store. And I'm just gonna basically trace out all of the necessary lines. So now along the way, I'll lift this up just to make sure that I'm covering all the lines that I want to put in. And you can do this as many times as you want, as long as you don't move the picture that's taped down. You can move this wax paper underneath anywhere you need to at any time. So that's it. That's all I'm going to put down for what I need. And those are my reference lines and how I transfer an image.